What's going on, YouTube? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I know it's been a while since we uploaded a video, but my computer died, so hopefully we'll be able to fix it today. So that's what today's video is. I believe my wireless went out on it, so we're going to change the wireless card in it, and hopefully that'll fix the problem and we'll be up and running. So I will get you set up, and it's my first time doing this. The biggest thing when you're working with computers and electronics is static electricity. So I have some gloves that I use, the same gloves I use when I changed the projector bulb up there. Is the same gloves we're going to use when we take this laptop apart right here. So I'll get the gloves on and we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take your battery out. It's a little hard to do with these gloves, so we'll put these back on in a second. Alright, take your battery out. Next, flip it back over. Open it up. And next, there's these little tabs on the top of the keyboard. Right here, here. We need to use a Phillips screwdriver or a flat tip to pop these out. And once we pop that out, your keyboard will come out, and then the wireless card will be right up in here. Trying to get you adjusted. So it should be right up in this area right here. So so we have all our screwdrivers that just dumped all over the place. So we have a nice flat one. Alright, take your battery out. Next, flip it back over. Open it up. And next, there's these little tabs on the top of the keyboard. Right here, here. We need to use a Phillips screwdriver or a flat tip to pop these out. And once we pop that out, your keyboard will come out, and then the wireless card will be right up in here. Trying to get you adjusted. So it should be right up in this area right here. So so we have all our screwdrivers that just dumped all over the place. So we have a nice flat one. All right, once you get it loose and you pop it all the way out, all the way around, you gotta be careful because there is a ribbon cable underneath here, and you wanna make sure that you don't break that ribbon cable. So we're gonna slide it out just like this. There's the ribbon cable I was talking about right here. Now, if you have to replace just your keyboard, there's a little latch on here. You pop that little latch up and this whole ribbon right here will come out. You put the new one in, just make sure you see where it says up, that you put it with the upside up. So this right here is our wireless card, and it has two little, I'm not sure if y'all can see that real good though, but it has this white and black little wire right here. You pop that out, and then there's one screw that holds this in. This slides out, you slide a new one in, and it's that easy. So we're gonna pop these off. Just like that, they pop off. Take our Phillips. There's one Phillips screw here. Just like that. And it pops out automatically for you. Just slide it out like that. We'll take our new one, which is this right here. Comes already packaged. Kind of hard to do with gloves on. There we go. So it comes with a screw, just in case you don't have one, which we're going to use the same one that was in there. So we gotta open this up, just like that. Put the glove back on. Slide this out. There's a new one. So it should go in just like this. Just like that. Then we take our screw. This is so hard to do with the gloves on. Again, you can do this without the gloves. You just got to watch the static electricity. Alright, we got the screw back in. As you can see, I took the keyboard off just to make it a little bit easier. And then these, you just push back on. And they're little round things, and they just fit in these little round holes. As you can hear it popped and clicked. Gotta dig the other one out. Just like that. Hear it click. This little back lever right here. If you pull it up, it releases, and this ribbon just slides out. So when you put it back in, just slide it in. Make sure it seats. Push it down. We're good to go. Then we'll flip our keyboard over. We're going to put the bottom in first, just like this, and snap it back into place. All right. Now we're going to turn it on, see if we have anything. And of course, oh, would help if we put the battery in, huh? So let's turn it back over. Let's slide our battery back in. All right. Now let's see if we got anything. Nope. I guess we got to put the cord in. Oh, there we go. Again, this computer is 6 years old, so it was bound to do something. Whether it died on us or we got the blue screen of death. So once it gets powered on, I'll bring y'all back on. So I don't want y'all to wait through this. I can see that, but right down here, it's the glare. Anyway, right down in the bottom corner, it used to say, it says Wi-Fi. Only thing I had was a globe. It would not let me connect to my Wi-Fi for whatever reason. So once we changed that card that was right down in there, it probably took us maybe 7, 8 minutes, 10 at total. But now the Wi-Fi is back up and running. We're able to go to the internet now. So I think we're good to go, and we should be able to load some more videos up. So again, before I could not even connect to the internet for whatever reason. So I think, after 6 years, this card right here finally died. And this is basically your Wi-Fi card that's in your computer. This part was $9 and some change, I believe. Ordered it on Thursday, but of course, because of the holiday, it didn't show up till today. So I just want to do a quick video to show you how easy this is to replace. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube to show you how to fix this and replace it and all that good stuff. Again, it's fairly simple. Same thing with your keyboard. If you are having issues out of your keyboard and your buttons are not working, it's real easy to replace. Next, I think we're going to have to replace our screen because it did get cracked. But I don't really use this. What I do is I hook it up to that TV right there and use that as my main screen. Just use this one as a secondary. So I think we are good to go. Be right back. Again, Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you great health and great prosperity for you and your family. I hope you stay blessed. Thank you for all the new subscribers who subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. If you could hit that like button, it really helps me out a lot. As you know, I don't make a dime off of YouTube just because I don't have enough views. But that's neither here nor there. I do this just to help you. So if you could help me, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We got great things coming to the channel. I do believe if everything works out right, we will have a new vehicle coming to the channel. It's going to be foreign. and it's going to be all-wheel drive. So if everything works out right, we'll be bringing that video when we go pick it up uh, and do a full review on it. And it has some modifications done to it already, so it ought to be fun. As always, stay tuned for the next one. One love.